let's get our first viewer question here. They want to know what Tacoma engine is more reliable and lasts longer, the 4-cylinder or the V6? What do you have to say about that?
Both of the engines in Tacomas are fantastic engines.
Okay.
It depends what you want to use them for. If you want to have a light use, just have a pick up small stuff and carry them. The 4-cylinders are good. Most Toyota technicians love the 6-cylinder. And on a 6-cylinder, if you're towing stuff, if you get a 4-wheel drive, it's a lot better engine to have. We have seen minor issues with the 6-cylinder, less with the 4-cylinder. Maintenance-wise, probably 4-cylinder Toyota is more reliable. It has less work. They are both reliable. 6-cylinder one is reliable and supplies power, but since it has the extra power, it has a couple of extra things that can go wrong with it, some minor oil leaks and things like that. But if you want to just know which one is reliable, they're both fantastic engines.
Right. So you probably recommend if, let's say, a family member or a friend was searching for a used Tacoma and they had to choose between a 4 and a 6, you'd say?
The magic answer to that is I drive a 6-cylinder one because I use a lot of scrappy metal, and I put a lot of load on my Tacoma, and I have a 6-cylinder one. And most of us Toyota techs that have trucks, we have a 6-cylinder one.
Okay, excellent. Great answer. I love it. We got a winner.